All right, let's get started this morning. A little chilly out there in some spots. We're going to find some numbers that start with a 3. It'll warm up a little faster, a little farther today. Yesterday we got to the low 70s in a lot of locations. I think today we got a chance to scare 80 in a lot of locations. And then overnight tonight it will be cool again. Probably not as cool as it is this morning. I don't expect 30s. Tomorrow morning I do expect some this morning. The skies are clear, the winds are calm, the air is dry. That is the right recipe for those coolest temperatures. We're down to 41 now in Valdosta. We're actually up to 43 in Tallahassee, and we're still at 43 in Thomasville. Dew point numbers are in the low 30s, so we still have all this really dry air. Places like Live Oak checking in at 39. Homerville back up to 40 after being at 39 not too long ago. In Liberty County it's 43. In Bainbridge it's 42. In Moultrie it's 42. The warm spot is Panacea where it's 52. That's really the only spot that's not in the 30s or 40s this morning. And temperatures will likely drop another degree or 2 before they start to rebound after 7:30, 7:45. Now, it's not breezy, different than yesterday when we had that breeze well into the afternoon. I think today, much calmer with the winds. The air is too dry for us to talk about fog. I don't think that's an issue today. I don't think that's an issue tomorrow. Now, on the satellite radar composite, we may start to pick up maybe later on tonight and tomorrow some clouds as the winds start to shift. Higher pressure moves out of the way. And once that happens, the door is open for this next boundary. This next boundary does not have the same support in the upper part of the atmosphere or all the ingredients lining up that the last one did to bring big storm potential. But what it will do is lift the air enough to probably wring a few showers out of the clouds. And behind this boundary is the next push of cooler and drier air. And I think that gets in here Friday and sticks around for the weekend. So we continue with these fast-moving systems that only stick around for a little while, and then the next one comes down the pike. And I think with this one, we can get some showers and then another reinforcing blast of cooler air. We're not stepping back into the middle of winter here. We're getting towards the end of March, so it's cooler, but it's certainly not going to be unseasonable or anything like that. On the Futurecast, you can see those yellow arrows coming in from the top, so we've got that breeze from the north or even northeast today, turning more east and southeast tomorrow. And as that happens, that's where some of the warmer and more humid air comes from. So when the boundary does get here Thursday, maybe Thursday morning, we've got a shot to get some of those showers. That passes through the area. Here come those northwest winds again to bring back in the dry air. We should clear up quickly Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. And I think we've got another chilly start on Friday, but warming just fine in the afternoons. And it's a pretty nice looking weekend forecast, but we're getting ahead of ourselves. Today's only Tuesday. On the Gulf today, winds out of the northeast first, south later, 5 to 15. Seas 1 to 3 feet, so a lot different than yesterday when it was breezy all day. Most of us are going to be in the 40s this morning. There'll be a few spots that dip into the upper 30s. It is chilly out there. Go with the layers because this afternoon we'll be flirting with 80 degrees. Sunny, warmer, a really nice outdoor kind of afternoon. Tonight it's mid-40s. We'll go with mostly clear and still cool. And I think as we take a look over the next couple of days, we're going to notice just a couple of little changes. We could get and should get up over 80 tomorrow if we don't get there today. Thursday, we likely don't do that because we're going to be talking about some showers and that next push of cooler air that keeps our temperatures a little lower on Friday. Friday could be a lot like this morning, at least Friday morning, and Friday afternoon could be a little bit more like yesterday afternoon. And I do think maybe a little bit breezy on Friday. As we get into the weekend, looking awfully nice. We could be near the 50-80 split come Sunday.